It's holiday time at Clinique, and I want to tell you about our More Than Moisture set. Our More Than Moisture set has 4 items that will work for any skin type and that most of our clients absolutely love. So let's take a look. Moisture Surge 100-Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator is a supercharged gel cream hydrator that goes 10 layers deep, and it delivers 100 hours of hydration for plump, glowing skin even after washing your face. For your eyes, we have Moisture Surge Eye 96-Hour Hydrofiller Concentrate. It's an ultra-lightweight, cushiony water gel that helps keep the eye area skin replenishing its own moisture for a full 96 hours. It's intense, crease-plumping hydration that instantly refloods, tightens, and brightens the eye area skin. If you've ever experienced dry lips, we've got the perfect solution in the More Than Moisture kit. I'm using this multitasking treatment over my lipstick to add hydration and shine, but when you use it at night, this formula smooths, soothes, and conditions so you'll wake up with soft, dewy lips. It's the ideal overnight treatment for hydrated lips. The last goodie in this kit is Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. This creamy, oil-free facial mask deeply moisturizes while you sleep. It helps to replenish moisture all night long so you wake up to soft, dewy, glowing skin. Who doesn't want that, especially with the weather changing? Just look at the difference between my 2 hands. If you're looking for the perfect gift, or if you know someone who really enjoys having healthy, glowing skin, the More Than Moisture gift is perfect for everyone on your holiday list this season. And at $49.50, it's a real value.